right, we got one for all the troops here. 2011 Nissan. This is a Quest SL edition, and it's pretty well loaded up. Leather interior, power rear gate, upgraded alloys, luggage rack, privacy glass, backup camera, auxiliary line in, satellite radio, dual sliding doors, got a fold-away third row seat. This vehicle also has heated seats in the first row, second row buckets with pass-through, fold-away third row, and it's like new. This is a two-owner unit. It's been well maintained, serviced and safety inspected, factory DVD, non-smoker, rear climate control. Nice van. Lot of money, lot of van for the money with a Nissan, folks. And they're reliable. They got a great motor. That 3.5 liter gets you all the troops down the road in style and comfort. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this vehicle. Yup. $11.95 starting down. Service contract, it's included in this vehicle. 3 months, 4,500 miles on the driveline. Look at the body. Body is poker straight. Two-owner, accident-free Carfax. Clean, well-maintained. Just a nice van. Get tons of miles left on this van. Get your guaranteed credit approval. Get your perfect Carfax. Get service with a smile. GasCleveland.com.